Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to create a new Netflix account. Just you need to follow my steps line by line. So let's start the video. First of all, launch the Netflix app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, then go to the Play Stores or App Store and search for the Netflix. Then download it from there. After it installed, open the Netflix app. Then here you will see the Get Started option at the top bottom. So tap on it. And now enter your email address. After you type it, then tap on Get Started option. Now create a password and tap on the option please do not email me Netflix special offers. If you want to, then tap on create account option. Now here you will see this interface. Use a browser or email to learn more. Here Netflix will send a mail to your account. Here copy the link and now go to the Gmail. Then tap on the mail from the Netflix account. So here tap on the continue. After that tap on finish sign up option. So choose your plan according to you, and now you can watch any series, any movies that are in the Netflix. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.